Hello creators and welcome to Creating with Miss Kaye. Here's a sneak peek at what I DIY'd using items that I already had around the house. As you know, I have been doing my winter refresh, and so I'm trying to incorporate black into certain areas of my home. I've added black to my living room. I've added some black to my bedroom. And so in my last video, I showed you where I did an unboxing of a new comforter set for my bedroom, which is in black. And so as promised, I said that I would be styling my fireplace. I'm using a couple of vases that I had around the house. One of them I did a DIY with, but the other was just a clear vase that I used to put just balls, decorative balls in. But I really wasn't that fond of it. So I said, you know what? I'm going to paint them. I don't want to spend money and just paint them and maybe jazz them up just a little bit and use them on my fireplace. So I'm using my matte black paint, and this is a pretty good size vase. Now this other one, it's just a silver vase from the Dollar Tree. I paid $1. And if I didn't get it from the Dollar Tree, maybe my husband got me some roses, and you know how those can accumulate. So this is how they look in the black. Well, you know, I'm not going to stop right there. I got my glitter, and I got the glitter confetti from the Dollar Tree. So we're going to do a combination. This paint, as you see, it dries matte black. So, you know, I just wanted it for a base to go on these vases. It dries super quick. You see I got my Mod Podge, and you know I'm ready to go. So for the largest vase, I just went ahead and used the Mod Podge on it completely and used extra fine black glitter. And here's the look. I think it turned out really nice. It's shiny. It has just enough bling for me. So I just have to figure out what I want it to do, because it is Valentine's and I am trying to bring in those romantic vibes. Now for this vase, I think I had spray painted it silver with the Mira silver paint. And so, but it just wasn't doing a lot for me. So I'm going to use the confetti. They come like 3 in a pack from Dollar Tree, but y'all, they really do a great job. I could only do it in sections because now they do, they fall off a little bit, but once you get a pattern going, they stay. And after I got finished, I went back over with little patches of Mod Podge, and this is how it turned out. I was so happy with the results, and honestly, it didn't take long. The drying is what took the longest to make these. I was actually cleaning up my kitchen as I was waiting for this to dry, and I left out for a few minutes because you really want that confetti to hold, because you will have a mess on your hands if it doesn't. So, I mean, I wasn't going anywhere special, so, and I wasn't in a rush, and I used them on my fireplace, and this is how they turned out. I'm using my large red roses. I am loving these. You know what? YouTube have brought these roses back in my life because they were just in my laundry room on a top shelf. I hadn't been using them. So when we started with all the Valentine's tablescapes, I said, I have something that would work perfect. And so they look even prettier on my mantle. So this is another section of my winter refresh for my bedroom. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you are new to my channel, I would like to thank you for stopping by. If you like this type of video, if you go back and watch some of my other videos, I hope that you will subscribe and become a part of my family. Now for my subscribers who have been there for me. I thank you. For all my newest subscribers, thank you so much. This has been such a fun journey. I have enjoyed every moment on YouTube, meeting so many great people, getting so much inspiration from watching others. So thank you so much for all of the love and support. And in case you didn't see my other video of my bedroom winter refresh, here's another little peek at it, and you can see how well the bed matches the fireplace. So if you haven't seen this video, I will leave the link in my description box, and I hope you will go back and watch. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.